Hello, I'd like to give an update on my Pygame Raycaster engine. Last time we left off, we had a Raycaster that was extremely fast and was running at like 100 FPS, but there were no enemies, and you also couldn't have walls of varying heights, and yeah. Well, now I've added walls of varying heights, so you can see here. It can go from that height to that height. As you can see, it's kind of like clipping into the ground and looking weird, but that's a fix I can add. Another thing I added, as you can see, is entities. So I have this entity guy here. Yeah. So it runs at 35 FPS, which is very, very, very bad. So my plan is to rewrite the rendering engine in C, but leave all the logic in Python. Yeah.